Get ready, drone enthusiasts! DJI is gearing up to redefine the skies with its upcoming lineup, and the leaks are more exciting than ever. From next-level performance to game-changing features, these drones are set to shake up the industry. Let's uncover all the juicy details about DJI's upcoming releases. Let's start with the DJI Flip. X is buzzing with leaked images and info about the upcoming DJI Flip drone. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into all the leaked details about this exciting new drone from DJI. Let's kick things off with the battery details. Igor Bogdanov, a trusted leaker, recently shared an image on X, and I have to say, the battery looks pretty cute. According to his post, the DJI Flip is set to feature a 3,110 mAh battery. This is larger than the one found in the DJI Mini 4 Pro, making it a notable upgrade. Weighing around 83.5 grams, this lightweight battery is expected to provide up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge. But here's the exciting part. I think the flight time could actually surpass the Mini 4 Pro. Why? Thanks to the DJI Flip's ultra-lightweight build and its innovative propeller design, it's likely to be more efficient in the air. What's your take on this? Do you think the DJI Flip could be a game changer? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Igor Bogdanov shared another exciting post on X, revealing the DJI Flip charging hub. This sleek hub lets you charge two batteries at the same time or one after the other. It boasts a minimum charging time of just 45 minutes per battery, keeping downtime to a minimum. Plus, it's designed to work seamlessly with a 65-watt parallel charger, making it an efficient and convenient accessory for drone enthusiasts. Now let's dive into the key features of the DJI Flip, as shared by Igor Bogdanov. This drone is shaping up to be a game changer with some impressive specs and capabilities. First off, the DJI Flip is designed to weigh less than 249 grams. This lightweight build makes it super portable and in many regions eliminates the need for drone registration, making it perfect for beginners and frequent travelers. One standout feature is its AI-powered object tracking. With advanced artificial intelligence, the DJI Flip can automatically adjust to provide the best viewing angle, ensuring smooth and dynamic shots without any manual effort. Whether you're filming action-packed moments or scenic landscapes, this feature makes capturing professional quality footage a breeze. Under the hood, it's equipped with a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor. This allows for greater light capture and improved image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Coupled with its ability to shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR, the DJI Flip delivers vibrant, crystal-clear videos with stunning details and rich colors. All these features make the DJI Flip an exciting addition to DJI's lineup. What do you think? Does this drone look like it could be your next go-to gadget? The propellers on the DJI Flip definitely stand out from other drones. As an innovative brand, DJI likely designed these propellers to achieve better efficiency, ensuring smoother and more stable flights. Their unique design not only enhances performance, but also contributes to the compact form factor of the DJI Flip. Igor Bogdanov has also revealed a photo of the DJI Flip ND filter set, featuring ND16, ND64, and ND256 filters. These filters provide greater control over exposure settings, making it easier to capture well-balanced footage in various lighting conditions. The ND16 is ideal for moderate light reduction, while the ND64 and ND256 are perfect for handling intense sunlight, preventing overexposed footage even in challenging environments. This addition highlights that the DJI Flip isn't just built for beginners, it's also designed with professional users in mind. Whether you're a casual flyer or a seasoned videographer, these filters ensure the DJI Flip can deliver stunning visuals across all scenarios. In conclusion, the DJI Flip is shaping up to be an exciting addition to DJI's lineup, blending portability, innovation, and advanced features. With its lightweight design, AI object tracking, impressive camera capabilities, and professional-grade accessories like ND filters, it's clear that this drone caters to both beginners and professionals. Whether you're capturing casual moments or creating cinematic footage, the DJI Flip seems ready to elevate your drone experience. Up next, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. There's been a lot of buzz about DJI possibly replacing their Mini series with the rumored foldable drone, the DJI Flip. However, this new image I found on X, shared by OsidLV, puts all those rumors to rest. It looks like the next big thing is actually the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Today, I'll be breaking down everything I've learned so far about this upcoming drone and sharing my personal expectations for what it might bring to the table. Take a look at this leaked photo. This isn't just another drone from the previous Mini series. It clearly resembles a mini drone but with some intriguing new features. Notably, the image reveals what seems to be a significant upgrade to its obstacle avoidance system. Between the usual obstacle avoidance sensors, you can spot 2 additional black sensors that stand out. Industry experts are speculating these could be LiDAR sensors, which would be a game-changer for the Mini series. If true, this upgrade could deliver more precise obstacle detection and significantly enhance flight safety. Now, let's talk about the camera. From the leaked image, we can see the familiar single-lens camera housed in a 3-axis gimbal. However, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to bring a major upgrade to its sensor. While both the Mini 3 and 4 Pro feature a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K resolution, and even the older Mini 2 offered similar resolution at lower frame rates, DJI seems ready to take a big leap. Reports from popular forums suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could feature a larger 1-inch sensor. This upgrade would not only allow shooting in up to 6K resolution at 30 frames per second, but also significantly improve performance in low-light and landscape scenarios. Expect sharper details, more vivid colors, and an overall richer image quality. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to introduce AI-powered cinematic modes and support for 10-bit D-Log-M, giving creators more control over color grading and making it perfect for pro-level video editing. If this turns out to be true, the Mini 5 Pro could easily redefine what's possible in a compact foldable drone. According to Jasper Ellens, this summer we will see a new Mini with LiDAR and stronger motors. This hints that DJI may unveil the Mini 5 Pro in the summer of 2025. His mention of stronger motors is particularly exciting, as it suggests we could see improved motor efficiency. With this upgrade, the Mini 5 Pro might deliver better flight performance and longer flight times, all while maintaining the 249-gram weight limit to stay under regulatory thresholds. If DJI manages to enhance flight time without requiring a larger battery, it will be a remarkable feat of engineering for the Mini series. The current Mini 4 Pro only offers 2 GB of internal storage, which is far too limited for modern needs. Ideally, DJI should include at least 8 GB of internal storage, allowing users to shoot even if they forget to bring an SD card. It's a small but crucial upgrade that would add a lot of convenience, especially for impromptu shoots, or those unexpected moments when you're out of storage. Coupled with improved motors for better efficiency, these upgrades could make the Mini 5 Pro a truly well-rounded drone for enthusiasts and professionals alike. For anyone looking for a beginner-friendly drone packed with powerful features in a compact size, the upcoming Mini 5 Pro might just be the perfect choice. With a larger sensor for stunning image quality, precise object tracking for solo travelers, and an advanced obstacle avoidance system to keep your flights crash-free, this drone is shaping up to be DJI's most exciting release yet. It's everything you could want in a portable drone, and more. What features are you most excited to see in this highly anticipated drone? Now talk about the DJI Mavic 4. The buzz is real, X is overflowing with leaks and rumors about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and it's got everyone talking. Today's video is going to be an absolute treat for you because I've done the digging and gathered all the juicy details about this highly anticipated drone. From its sleek design and groundbreaking features to the possible price and release date, I'm going to break down everything we know so far. So, if you're just as hyped about the Mavic 4 Pro as I am, sit back, relax, and let's dive into all the exciting details. Without wasting any time, let's get started. A few days ago, Jasper Ellens stirred up excitement by sharing an FCC listing for the upcoming DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Along with the listing, he made a bold claim: it's coming! Will they actually launch it before the USA DJI ban in 2025? Exciting times! Yesterday, OsidLV shared an intriguing picture on X, captioned "Mavic 4 in field test." Not long after, he followed up with a video showing someone folding a drone that hasn't been publicly released yet. This sparked a wave of excitement, as many believe it's none other than the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. OsidLV wasn't the only one fueling the buzz. Several other prominent leaksters chimed in, claiming this is indeed the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. Just a few hours ago, Hakasushi shared an exciting photo revealing almost all the key specs of the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This leak has given us a detailed look at what to expect, and it's safe to say the excitement just went through the roof. Now let's dive into the most exciting part: the camera specifications. The upcoming DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to redefine aerial imaging, taking the beloved Mavic series to the next level. This new drone will be equipped with a 4x3-inch CMOS sensor, designed to capture stunningly detailed images and videos. Paired with a 28mm lens boasting an incredible 100-megapixel resolution, the Mavic 4 Pro will ensure every shot is crystal clear, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or intricate details from above. The adjustable aperture range of f2 to f11 will provide greater versatility, letting creators adapt to various lighting conditions with ease. For enhanced low-light performance, it will feature dual native ISO 400-1600, D-Log, enabling vibrant and noise-free footage even in dim environments. Video enthusiasts will love the ability to record in 6K at 60 FPS HDR for ultra-high-definition clarity, or enjoy silky smooth slow motion with 4K at 120 FPS. With 14 stops of dynamic range, the footage will have exceptional depth and color richness. Additionally, DJI will integrate the Hasselblad 10-point starburst effect for those cinematic light flares. To top it off, the stepless electronic ND filter, ND4-64, will allow seamless control over exposure, giving creators the freedom to shoot in challenging light conditions without compromising quality. With these groundbreaking camera specs, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a powerhouse for aerial photographers and videographers. Let's move on to the battery and performance, an area where the DJI Mavic 4 Pro will truly shine. From the FCC label, we can see the Mavic 4 Pro will come equipped with a 95.3 watt-hour battery, promising an impressive 52 minutes of flight time. This means more time in the air to capture the perfect shot or explore vast landscapes without constantly worrying about recharging. With a range of 40 kilometers using the DJI's O4 Plus transmission system, the Mavic 4 Pro will allow you to push boundaries and cover greater distances with confidence. Despite its powerful internals, the drone is expected to weigh just 1,045 grams, striking a balance between portability and durability. To keep it charged and ready to go, DJI will include a 240-watt charger, ensuring quick and efficient power-ups. And for those planning to invest in this high-performance drone, the basic kit is expected to cost around €2,200, a price that reflects the cutting-edge technology packed into this device. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer for both hobbyists and professionals, offering exceptional performance, extended flight time, and incredible creative tools. We can't wait to see what DJI officially reveals with this powerhouse. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates, leaks, and reviews. Stay tuned, there's more to come as we follow the journey of this incredible drone.